Hello and welcome to CFD College. Are you interested in learning about computational fluid dynamics? Do you want to become an expert in CFD and take your skills to the next level? If so, you've come to the right place. I'm Ashkan Ghafari and I'm excited to share my knowledge on CFD with you, especially numerical simulation using Ansys Fluent. Whether you are a beginner looking to learn the basics or an expert seeking advanced materials, this channel has something for you. On this channel you'll find tutorials and guides on various software tools used in CFD. We cover everything from creating the CFD domain to post-processing, coding, Python, machine learning, and so on. In this channel you'll find two types of videos: English language content and Persian ones, each clearly labeled for your convenience. As a mechanical engineering Ph.D. candidate with over a decade of experience in CFD, I've mentored many students and professionals in their studies and projects. I've also presented lots of training courses on CFD software. In this channel, I'll be posting 1 or 2 new videos every week, so if you are interested, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our future videos. Thanks for joining our community. Let's dive to the world of CFD together. See you in the next video.